Happy 46 birthday. Ayun, wish ko more birthdays to come and good health, and then wag lang susuko, magkakaroon din yan. I love you dahil mahal mo rin kami. Mabuhay.
Birthday wish ko kay Tita Ging, kay siya ang mas nice na girl. Tas happy birthday sa iya. Ang wish ko, happy health and happy birthday and happy day. Congrats.
Wow! Thank you, B. What's your birthday wish, Royce?
Happy 46th birthday, Tita Ging. Ang wish ko sa imo kay healthy ka, more birthdays to come. I love you, Tita Ging.
Okay, thank you, Roy. Anong birthday wish mo kay ate?
Ang birthday wish ko kay Gingging is happy 46th birthday, Ging. I love you.
46.
Happy birthday, ate. Wishing you a birthday full of love, laughter, and blessings. And ano pa?
So, go, Mayoy! Kaya mo yan.
Thank you na.
Okay.
Birthday, te. Tita Ging. Ulit na sa magalis tayo. Dali na, let's go. Tita Ging, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Ging. Thank you so much for all. I love you so much. With all our hearts and mind and soul. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Ging. My wish is to be good and always, and also stay safe, and having a good family and everyone, and having best of friends. Ano?
Wish na ko makaroon ng anak.
Ang sweet.
I love you.
Happy birthday, Ging. Wish na ko sa imo good health, long life, og happy family. Nautunta nga dagdagan pa ang imong edad og makaabot unta kag 100 years.
Yes.
More blessing to come. God bless. Thank you for everything. Hey, wish. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Tita Ging. I wish you all the best. Tapos, ano man, shoti mo malaan yun, no? Dapat wala ka mabatia. Kani, makuha mo, tanan nga gina-wish ka goal mo sa life. That's all. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Ging. I also wish you good health and keep safe to everywhere you'll go to your birthday.
All right.
Happy birthday, Ging.
Happy birthday, Ging. Wish you all the best in life and good health always. More blessing to come.
Yay! Thank you. Oh, go, Roy. Go, Roy.
Be safe and healthy always.
Mike. Mike man na. Yeah, siya. Ikaw, Ate Kai. Greetings.
Hello, Ging. Happy birthday. More blessings para more man ang money kag para more man ang mapakaon mo sa amon.
Okay na po. Ikaw din. Ikaw din. Hindi, go lang.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best and good health always. And love ka na, Monte. I love you.
46.
Go.
Hello.
Di pati to.
Hello. Sa pisan ko, happy birthday. Ging, we love you. Thank you.
Wait ako birthday greetings. Mike man to.
Kasi no.
Si Ate Ging, birthday greetings. Microphone niya, nagre-record lang ko. Game, 1, 2, 3.
Ging, sana marami pang buhay, marami pang blessings. Always good health.
Ari lang kami sa imong likod. Wala sa kilid. Wala sa tubang sa likod mo. Happy birthday. Love you.
Alright, go.
Birthday po sa'yo.
Go.
Happy birthday, Taging. More blessings to come. And tani, grant ni Jesus ang tanan nga desire sa imong nga heart. Continue to be a blessing to everyone. Happy birthday.
Alright, thank you.
Yung dito na banda. Oh.
Ah, okay. Pwesto. Birthday greetings.
Ay, sige. Hello, good evening everyone.
Wait.
Good evening everyone. Ay. Thank you to our God. Happy birthday. Greetings from Nanay. I love you, Nak. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything. Love you so much. Isa pa.
Okay na? Happy birthday, Ate Ging. More blessings to come and more birthdays, and thank you for everything.
Go.
Hello, good evening. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a very wonderful day. Not only for a day, but for an actual year because you deserve it. And we love you so much. Happy birthday, Ging.
Alright, thank you.
Birthday. Magsalita na siya. Say happy. Say happy.
Happy
Birthday.
birthday.
Tita Ging. Yun na. Say bye-bye. You wave your hand bye-bye.
Say, para pang finale siya. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Wave your hands. Say wave your hands. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Ate. Thank you so much for everything. We love you as always. Good health and more blessings to come. We love you. From all bonitas.
Happy birthday, Tita Ging. God bless.
Bang! Happy birthday. King, happy birthday. Geng, happy birthday, geng. Amo lagi nang amon makakuan si mo mag-greet si mo why naman kami atag si mo. Amo lagi na amon lipay na kami nga lipay na kami nga maka-greet si mo. Happy birthday lang, geng. Thank you. Salamat sa tanan, geng. Salamat. Palapan. Basta salamat lang, geng.
Happy birthday, Kas Ging. Salamat sa tanan. Sikad lang ang bala sa imo. Okay. Happy birthday again. Love you. Sa tanan ko nga mga cousins, madamo salamat. Ibiyam sa among pamilya, kag imo mga cousins niya. Thank you very much.
Anong sabihin ko? Happy birthday. Ricky, ulit. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Happy birthday mo lang ang bal niyo mo. Kung ang bal ko sa pangalan.
Mag-wish ka eh.
Hindi na, secret wish na lang na.
Yeah, bala ka. Good wealth ka.
Oo.
Good wealth and wealth.
Happy birthday,
Ging Ging.
Wish ko sa imo, Ging, kabay pangatagaan ka sang Ginoo sang madamo pa nga birthday nga mag-abot sa kabuhi mo, kag good health always, kag God bless. Happy birthday.
Nimo Ging, happy birthday. Kaway unta nga magapadayon ang imo nga kabuutan kag ang Ginoo amo mag-ubay sa imo sa imong mga negosyo, sa imong pamilya. Kabay unta nga wala pa ka birthday nga mag-aabot sa imong kinabuhi. Love you, Ging. Happy birthday.
Alright, thank you.
Hey, to me, ako gid ang nag-abrace ang November. Wish na ako na happy birthday, ate. Good health. Kag damo-damo pa nga birthday mag-abot. Kag blessing. Happy birthday. Love you.